3D Koality Hugs Acrylic Nail Art Tutorial by Hotpinkzebrapolish.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you a really cute design that is a koala pun. So it has a cute little koala that's giving a tree branch a big hug, and then it has Koality Hugs written on it. And as you guys know, I am a big fan of puns and I make them on a daily basis. Usually I get eye rolls for it, but every once in a while I even get a laugh. So I hope you guys like this cute little pun as much as I do, and don't forget to click subscribe to see all my future videos as well.
So I'm going to begin with an overlay of an aqua color acrylic, and for those of you who are curious, it has been mentioned in previous videos that these pastel colors that I have are from Young Nails, and they tend to have those little color bursts in them, and I know that people have requested that I contact Young Nails to see how they handled it. And I will tell you, it was really, actually, I was super impressed. They called me. I filled out a little thing online, and their customer service contact us thing, and I expected an email back at some point, and they called me, and I was really confused. I answered the phone. Hi, is this Katie? I'm like, yes. I had no idea who it was, and then they said that they were from Young Nails, and they wanted to just follow up with me, and I was shocked because it was probably right about 24 hours, maybe not even quite, like 20 hours after I had sent the email, and that was really fast in my opinion. And they immediately just asked to verify my address, and they're shipping me out a new set of their pastel acrylics, and it was really easy, and they were super nice about it. And so if anybody's curious about Young Nails customer service, I would probably say it's excellent, and I was really happy with how everything was handled. So everyone that asked about that, there you go. Now for back to this design, I encased that pastel teal with a layer of clear acrylic, filed it into shape, and then I sculpted the branch that my koala is hugging with some bronze color acrylic, added a couple little brighter green leaves on the end of it, and then with gray I'm going to start sculpting out my little koala friend. So I wanted him to have a really big head and a really small body just to exaggerate that little koala shape. So I made kind of a rounded, like a short egg shape for his head, add his little body and his arm and his leg hugging the tree, then adding his ears, kind of tuck that into the angled sides of your egg. Tuck in his ears. And for your koala, you want to make sure that you don't take anything too high up on the nail towards the cuticle if you are planning on writing the Koality Hugs on there. If you aren't planning on writing that, if you just want to sculpt the cute little koala, you can make him as big as you want on the nail. And I would probably extend your branch all the way to the edge of the nail if you aren't worried about leaving space for your writing. I added some lavender in his ears, and then with a darker shade of purple, more of like a, I don't know, more of almost like an indigo color, I added his nose. And then I'm going to add two little indents for where his eyes will be when I get to that point with my paint. Nothing too crazy, just very subtle little indents. Now with black paint, I'm going to be adding some outlines around my branch. I did not outline the very bottom of the branch where I stopped it, where I cut it off, because like I said, I cut it off, so I wanted it to not have that really sharp line. I wanted to just look like it disappeared. So I did not outline it there. I also added some white highlights inside my koala's ears to make them look a little fluffier, and to make that lavender color, which you can't even hardly see in the video, but make that stand out against the gray a little bit better. Add outlines around my koala here and there. Make some of those outlines a bit furry, so don't make them just a smooth line, but add little dashed lines, almost little flicks of the brush to make him look a bit furrier and nice and fluffy. And keep adding those outlines here and there. Outline around his legs and his body. And then you're also going to need to take that black paint and add his smile and his eyes. So for the smile, I just made one little crooked half smile on the side. Add the two little eyes like so. And then you're also going to want to add little white highlights in the eyes to make them look like they're nice and sparkly. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to write Koality above my koala, starting with the L a little bit off center, then adding I-T-Y, adding the A, then the O, working backwards towards the other side of the nail. And I made my K of Koality a little bit bigger than the rest of the letters just to make that stick out a little bit better. And then with a darker purple paint, I'm going to be writing Hugs at the tip of the nail really big. I wanted Hugs to be kind of the thing that sticks out, and so I made that a little bit bigger, using all of the space I possibly could at the tip of the nail. And that purple color kind of ties back into the color of my koala's nose. So same thing, kind of like with koala, I started with the G, and then I worked my way backwards, or worked my way to the end of the word, and then I worked my way backwards. So G, then the S, then a U, and an H. You kind of have to relearn how to spell when you start doing all of this lettering like this. You have to rethink all of your words. It does help if you are just starting out and you aren't used to painting words out of order, is if you have them written out on a page next to you and you count out how many letters there are. So if you have the word hugs and you write that out and you say, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 4 letters, and then you figure out which letter is in the center. In this case, the U and the G share center, so then you know on the nail they have to share center as well. And then I'm going to apply a layer of gel sealer over the background and some matte top coat over my koala, and that's it. I hope you guys like this design as much as I do. Please share recreations with me on Facebook or Instagram. I'd love to see them, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!